I'm Suny Virk. I'm Senior Counsel here at Virk Barristers. We're a criminal law firm based in Mississauga, Ontario. Today, I'm going to be starting a series of videos to help the public gain a better understanding of criminal charges, starting with assault. You've been charged with assault, or you know someone else has been charged, or you just want to gain a better understanding of it. This video is going to help you. Please keep in mind though, and don't substitute this as legal advice. You should definitely contact our office for details about a specific circumstance. So what is assault? Generally, it's imposing unwanted physical contact on another person without their consent. That's essentially the definition of assault. The criminal code defines it a little more articulately, but there's another part of assault that a lot of people don't know about, and that is, and I'll read it, when a person by an act or gesture threatens or attempts to apply force to another person. That would qualify as an assault as well. So for example, I've had cases where if a person lunges at another person, if the person receiving that, shall we call it a threat, or the threat of force, believes on reasonable grounds that the person doing it can carry it out, that constitutes an assault. Even though no person was touched, that would still constitute an assault. Now, as you can see, these definitions and these examples can get quite technical, so it's important to obtain legal advice, quite frankly. When a person's charged with assault, they generally have two options. They can either proceed to trial, or they can go through the resolution track. A resolution track has several options, but there are certain implications of, for example, pleading guilty that you should keep in mind. If you do plead guilty, let's say on your own or without the benefit of legal advice, please keep in mind that some things could happen that could affect your life for a very long time. For example, a criminal record. In fact, if the charges are serious enough, you could go to jail. Some implications are also that you could lose your job. Often there are immigration consequences depending on your status. Obviously as well, there's the embarrassment as well of pleading guilty and having to go through the process and other people knowing of what happened. So these are some things to keep in mind when you have to consider the implications of this type of charge.